But what if I told you that most of the popular detox drinks you've heard about are not quite what they seem? Stick around until the end because I'm about to reveal the real science behind what actually helps your body recover and what's just expensive marketing hype. After excess food or alcohol, your body needs one thing above all else: proper hydration. Your liver and kidneys are already working overtime to process everything you consumed, and they need water to do their job efficiently. The truth is, your body has an incredibly sophisticated built-in detoxification system that runs 24/7 without any special potions needed. Let's talk about lemon water, the so-called detox miracle drink that everyone swears by. There appears to be no solid scientific evidence that lemon water directly detoxifies or cleanses the liver. However, many people who regularly consume this drink report noticeable health benefits. Lemon water is commonly viewed as supportive for liver health because it may stimulate bile production, aid digestion, provide vitamin C, and help the body eliminate waste more efficiently. While it is not a miracle solution, it can be considered a simple supportive habit that contributes to overall liver function. However, many people believe that your liver doesn't need to be stimulated by lemon juice and functions perfectly well on its own. They therefore consider the supposed benefits of lemon water to be a myth. Baking soda water is another popular remedy that needs a reality check. Yes, it can temporarily neutralize stomach acid and provide relief from heartburn, but using it regularly can actually disrupt your stomach's natural pH balance. This isn't something you should be drinking every time you overeat, and it definitely shouldn't replace proper medical advice if you're experiencing ongoing digestive issues. Herbal teas like ginger and peppermint do have legitimate benefits for soothing nausea and supporting digestion. Green tea provides antioxidants that support overall health. Some people have reported improvements in digestion and liver comfort after using milk thistle and artichoke. However, while researchers acknowledge that these plants contain compounds of interest for health, they generally agree that there is no strong scientific evidence supporting their ability to regenerate the liver in healthy people. According to experts, they might have medical applications in specific contexts, but they're not miracle cures for your hangover or food coma. So what should you actually do after overindulging? The answer is beautifully simple. Drink plenty of plain water. Aim for about 2 liters throughout the day. Eat light, fiber-rich meals with vegetables and fruits. Get adequate rest and give your body time to naturally rebalance itself. Avoid adding more alcohol or excessive sugar while your system recovers. Your body is remarkably good at healing itself when you give it the basics it needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more evidence-based health content.